today we shall be starting with a new chapter, which is fractions, children. Okay. Now fraction. What is a fraction? First of all, fraction है क्या? Fraction is a number representing part of a whole. और a whole का एक part, जैसे कि 3/5, okay, और 6/9, okay. So this is the will be called as fraction, okay. तो whole का एक part. पर अगर सपोज मैं 3/3 लेता हूँ तो वो यानी कितना हो गया 1 is the whole part, okay. So अगर 3/5 लेता हूँ, okay, तो 5 का एक part हुआ 3/5 you can say that is called as what? Fraction. अब fraction के types अगर हम पढ़ते हैं बेटा तो 5 types के fraction है, which is first one is what बेटा? Proper fraction, in which the numerator is less than the denominator, like for example 3/5 or 7/9. You can see the numerator and denominator. The numerator is less than the denominator. Numerator is less than the denominator. The same way, improper fraction, numerator is greater than the denominator. Like this one, 9/7, 12/3, 17/5. This is called the improper fraction, children. Mixed fraction can be written the combination of whole and part. Mixed fraction ऐसे लिखते हैं combination of whole, this whole and part, like 3, 1 integer 3/5, 5 integer 7/9, 8 integer 11/2 or 12, whatever. ठीक है? This is called improper fraction. Like fraction, which have the same denominator, like this one, like 1/3, 2/3, 6/3, 7/3. They are called as like fractions. And unlike fractions, fraction with different denominator. Like this one, children. Denominators अलग-अलग है. 3/4, 5/3, 6/8, whatever. They are called unlike fraction. Okay, children. So here we have studied 5 main things. Okay, पहले तो fraction क्या है? Part of a whole. Types of fraction, proper fraction, जिसमें numerator is smaller than the denominator. Improper fraction, when the numerator is greater than the denominator. Mixed fraction can be in the form of combination of both whole and part of a number. Like fraction, जिसमें denominator same है, और unlike fraction, जिसमें denominator equal नहीं होता है. Okay, children. Now, children, we shall be looking with the first exercise, which is 7.1, in that question number 1, which is write the fraction representing the shaded portion. ये shaded portion बेटा उसका fraction लिखना है. And remember children, जो भी shaded portion होगा वो हमको numerator में लिखना है. We need to write in the numerator and denominator in that the total fraction. We need to write the total given fraction. So first of all, okay, here you can see 2 shaded part. So write 2. Total how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. 2/4. 2/4 can be written as 1/2 also. कैसे? 2 1s are 2 2s are 1/2. 2/4 लिखोगे, it is also okay. 1/2 लिखोगे तो भी it is right. Okay. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 shaded part है. Total कितने? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 8/9. Next, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is the shaded part. Total कितने हैं? 8. So 4/8. Same way 4/8 can also be written as 1/2 because cancellation possible है. 4 1s are 4 2s are. So it can be written also as 1/2. Okay. Next one. 1 is the shaded part. Total is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1/4. Okay. This one, 1, 2, 3 is the shaded part. Upon the total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3/7. Same way here you can see three shaded parts of the flower cake. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 3 upon 12. Now 3 upon 12 can also be written as 1 upon 4. कैसे cancellation होता है बेटा? 3 1 3 4 are 12. So 1 upon 4 भी लिख सकते हो. Next, यहाँ पे देखो सभी शेडेड किए हुए हैं. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 upon 10 it can be also written as 1. Okay. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 4 upon 9. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 are shaded up over 12. It can also be written as 1 upon 2. And this 1 upon 2 half. Okay children, easy here, simple here. I hope you understand, you have understood this. Okay. And hope you can do the sums like this. Thank you everyone.